Make sure to stand till the end. You have two hidden screws. If you don't know about those, you can damage the glove box or the dash on your BMW. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 X4 generation F25 F26. If you need to remove, replace glove box, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. You have hidden screws that if you don't remove, you can damage the dash, the glove box, multiple components. It should work on X3 from year 2010 to currently year 2018. Currently it's 2022 now to year 2018, and X4 from year 2014 to year 2018. So let's start on it now. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. So let me position here the camera, get a little bit of light. Some models may have the knee airbag here. If you do, guys, if you're not qualified and certified, never work on airbags, they can kill you, so consider this entertaining video. Another thing, if you work really close to airbags or anything specific like that, you will need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour. When you do that, okay, you can minimize the chance for something to explode, but there is still an opportunity for that to happen. And on these new cars, it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can damage guys, okay, computers, modules that can cost you quite a bit of money. We have one screw right here. One is out. That's what the screw looks like. Okay, getting another one now. Torx 20 by the way. And we have one more in this corner here. Now let's see, okay, what do we have here specifically, okay, and how it's going to drop now, because we probably has a few clips. Okay, this one, okay, pulled out like that, it came out. You can see this is the cover. You can pull it out if you want. The only thing holding is the light. So now we're going to remove the glove box here. We have one hidden screw, the same thing, Torx 20, come on. Right there. Then we're going to turn a little bit. Okay, let me position the camera so you can see. Okay, like that. If we can hold it, that will be great. And we have another one here. Perfect. Okay. Now guys, we're going to open the glove box here, and we have more screws and bolts. Okay, let me empty it and we'll continue. So we're going to start right here now. One screw here. Okay, we have one here. One over there. We have one here. We have one on this side. Okay, let's see if we have anything else holding now specifically. The glove box guys, okay, will come out like that. We need to disconnect the wire here for the glove box slide. Just pull it out. And the glove box assembly, the whole thing came out, you can see, just like that. So you can see guys, that's how you remove the glove box on BMW X3 or X4, that generation F25 F26 from year 2010 to year 2018. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.